Can you solve all these acid-base titration questions? NaCl is a dash. Excellent reasoning. Salt. Hydrochloric acid. Nicely done. Which is the stronger acid? Outstanding effort, FLH1. Identify the strongest acid. Correct response, okay? Scale that ranges from 1-4 to... Great work. Phenolphthalein is colorless in.
You got it, acid!
What indicator was used in titration? Phenolphthalein is correct. What color is phenolphthalein in a base? Keep it up pink. Releases hydrogen in an aqueous solution. Acid? Which chemical was not used during experiment? That's it, sulfuric acid. Which of these could be the FUD of a weak base? Good job. Which of the following would be the strongest acid? H2SO4. A dash is a substance with a F greater than 7. Well supported, base. During a titration, dash is carefully added to dash. Perfect choice, base acid. Which of the following is the conjugate base of H3PO4? Solid response. A chemical used to show the end point of titration is called. Nice work, indicator. What solution usually goes in the burette during experiment? Well done, base! What term describes the change in color of the indicator during a titration? Precise answer, endpoint. If potassium hydroxide is neutralized by sulfuric acid, what is the salt produced? Logical choice, potassium sulfate. What technique is shown in this image? Great job, titration! What type of reaction is taking place here? Yes, neutralization is right. At which point on the titration curve will phi equal to K? Q. What is in the burette in this titration experiment? Commendable response, acidic liquid. In which acid base indicator is acid is colorless, base is pink. Exactly, phenolphthalein. Bee sting contain dash and can be neutralized using bicarbonate soda. Smart thinking, acid. What is the name of this apparatus that is used for titration called? Clear and correct, burette. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Well reasoned, contact Narayan Changder.